Good day, culinarians. Today I'm going to show you how to do an eggs Benedict minus the hollandaise sauce. What we're going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to poach eggs today. Once we poach the eggs, put them on top of the English muffin. It has Canadian bacon on there. Put the poached eggs on top, and that's all we're going to do today. When we get into the sauce class, I'll show you how to make hollandaise sauce, and we'll do the same thing again. We'll toast the English muffin. You see how I have the English muffin toasted? We're going to put the Canadian bacon on top, poach the eggs, put the poached eggs on top of here, and put the sauce, the hollandaise sauce, on top of here. So for now, what we're going to do is, before we get started, the water's simmering. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of vinegar in the water. A tablespoon of vinegar in the water will help with the cooking and the poaching of the egg. Because what's going to happen is when you go to poach your egg, you want to have a gentle swirl going on in the water. With that gentle swirl and the vinegar in the water, it'll help cook the egg whites around the egg yolk to get a nice looking poached egg. So I got a nice simmer going on in the pot. I'm going to do a gentle stir. I'm going to slowly drop my egg in there. And you can see it swirling around there. You want to keep the motion going. You want to keep the water swirling. Because if you don't keep the water swirling, what's going to happen is that egg is going to stick to the bottom of the pot. If it sticks to the bottom pot, when you go to get it out, you're going to break the yolk. So I got a gentle swirl going on here. I got my first egg in there. Drop my second egg in there. Got to remember which one went first, which one went second. And we're going to slowly poach this. I got a nice simmer going on here. The white, as the water is swirling, the white helps wrap around the egg yolk, which makes for a good poach. Now I'm not stirring this a lot. I don't want a huge wave going on here. I want just a gentle motion in there. Keep that from sticking on the bottom of the pot. So I'm going to take a few minutes poaching in this liquid. Now remember, if you're going to do a poached eggs Benedict can be used a lot of different ways. A lot of times when I go to the coast, North Carolina, or when I lived down in Florida, we'd have poached eggs for breakfast, and you can do them all different ways. A lot of times we'll do poached crab on here. So you take your poached eggs, and instead of putting the Canadian bacon, you might put lump crab meat on there. And then put your poached eggs on top of that, and then your hollandaise sauce. It's really good. So there's all kinds of different things you can do this. If you're on the coast, North Carolina, you got a lot of shrimp out there. Cook off some shrimp. Put a bed of shrimp down on an English muffin. Put the eggs on top. You got your poached breakfast for that morning. Now I'm going to gently touch these eggs. That was my second one. Here's my first one. Just about ready. See how it barely springs back? I want to get just a little bit more firm on there. There we go. That should do it. Drain the water off. Notice I'm using a slotted spoon. That way all the water drips through. I don't get all that water on my English muffin. So I take this, I put the poached egg right on top. I get my second poached egg. Get up some of the excess water. Put that right on top. And there we have it. We have our poached eggs Benedict without the sauce. Like I said, when we get into sauce class, we'll do the same thing and then put that hollandaise sauce right over the top. Thank you very much.